Hello everyone, today we're making rich fudgy brownies together. These are all the ingredients that you need. I'm going to put it under the description. We'll start with the base of all that chocolatey goodness, butter and chocolate. Place them together over a double boiler and let the heat gently melt them down. Once they're smooth and glossy, you'll know it's ready. Take your time at this step. Next, we move on to the eggs. Crack them in a larger bowl. Add a splash of vanilla extract and whisk gently. The vanilla gives a warm aroma and balances the richness of that chocolate. Slowly add the sugar, whisking until the mixture turns lighter in color and the sugar crystals are no longer visible. This will give the brownies a softer, chewy texture. Now comes the magic moment. We pour the melted chocolate mixture into the eggs. Mix carefully, folding until everything blends together. To finish the batter, sift in the flour and cocoa powder. Sifting makes sure the batter stays smooth and airy without any lumps. The batter turns thick, shiny, and so tempting that you'll want to taste it right away. Place the pan in a preheated oven at 250 centigrade. Cut every inch of that parchment paper, and now it's ready for the batter. Let it cool for a few minutes before cutting, otherwise it may break apart. Once everything is combined, transfer the batter in a prepared baking pan, lined with a parchment paper. Spread it evenly with a spatula so it bakes uniformly, and bake it for around 30 or 35 minutes. Remember, brownies shouldn't bake like a dry cake. The center should stay slightly moist and fudgy. And there you have it. Homemade brownies, rich, chewy, and irresistible.